Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on iPhone to speed up iOS 27. First, you need to start by opening the setting and scroll a bit down and you need to select this general, and here you need to select this iPhone storage, and here under this iPhone storage you can scroll a bit down and you can select any app, as I'm going to select this Messenger. And here you can tap to this offload app and select offload app again. And that is it. And after that you can also restart your iPhone regularly to clear temporary system files and refresh performance, and this step can help speed up your iPhone and improve overall performance on iOS 27. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you.